Me can't believe she a come here again. Every year is a new girl blowing breeze on the roof. Melissa, take time now. Melissa call me upon the weather report. She say me soon reach. Me just packing my shot. Me say, baby girl, ease off the flight. Jamaica not ready for no storm tonight. She love the traffic, she love the heat, but me beg her, please, no mash up the street. The coconut tree, them want stand tall. Me heart can't manage no more rainfall. Oh, hurricane Melissa, go easy girl. Don't mash up my beach and my sweet little canal. If you feel for dance, go shake up Barbados, but left Jamaica nice and cozy, me beg you. Oh Melissa, take time, a star. If you come here with thunder, me slam my door. Go breeze through Bahamas, give them little sugar when you reach Jamaica. Take it slow. She blow a kiss with lightning, wink with rain, but behind the smile is pure hurricane. Me tell her, girl, me can't afford the fixing. Roof can't take no more off your mixing. Last time your cousin come and brought the pipe. Flood out me kitchen and mash up the type. So Melissa, if you love me hard, don't tear me island life apart. Oh, Melissa, go easy girl. Don't mash up my mango or my festival. If you want attention, just breeze and flirt, but no fling down me zinc or dirty my shirt. Oh Melissa, take time, a star. You're too powerful, me know who you are. Go wind up a sea breeze, take that road, but left Jamaica on a peaceful mode. Hear me now, Melissa. We not no quarrel, me know we just passing through like carnival. When you start spin up and kick up the tide, my neighbor roof start take a ride. So if you must blow kiss alone. I no fling with my Wi-Fi or break my phone. Oh, hurricane Melissa, go easy girl. Don't mash up the rumba or my Carawa. Go breeze pan St. Lucia or Turks and Caicos, but left Jamaica with little chaos. Oh Melissa, me beg you please, come with sunshine, not storm or seas. If you must dance off and nice, cause Jamaica love you, but once will suffice. Melissa, me love you, but me can't love your rooftop style. Ease up, girl, take a little sip of coconut and cool down, see?